MeDirect Bank Honest Review, and Real User Experience Best Online Savings and Investment Platform. Managing your savings and investments online can be tricky, but MeDirect Bank offers a fully digital solution for Europeans looking for transparency and flexibility. I tried it myself, and here's my honest review. Most people assume online banks only handle basic accounts, but the surprising truth about MeDirect is that it combines high-interest savings accounts, term deposits and investment options all under one platform. You can access stocks, IFs, bonds and mutual funds without leaving the site. Getting started was smooth. Opening an account took just a few minutes, and identity verification was completed digitally. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, showing account balances, investment performance, and interest accrual in real time. What stood out was the competitive rates on savings and term deposits. For example, I earned noticeably higher interest compared to traditional banks in my region, while investments were easy to monitor and manage with detailed analytics. The downside? Investment fees can add up, especially for frequent trading, and customer support is primarily online or via chat, which may not suit everyone. Some advanced investment options are limited compared to larger brokerage firms. In conclusion, MeDirect Bank is a strong choice for Europeans seeking a digital-first banking experience with solid savings rates and easy investment access. Its user-friendly interface, transparency, and variety of financial products make it ideal for both beginners and experienced investors. If you want to simplify your savings and investing in one platform, MeDirect is worth exploring.